चुका है कि डायमंड्स आर अ गर्ल्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड, तो मैं यहाँ देखने आई हूँ उनका पूरा कलेक्शन। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया दिया था उन्होंने, बट आज मैं देखने आई हूँ अपनी ही आँखों से पूरा कलेक्शन। देखिए, ऐसा है कि बचपन से लेके अभी तक फ़िल्मों में मैं बहुत ज्वेलरी पहन चुकी हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा। तो जब मैं जैसे एयरपोर्ट जाती हूँ, कहीं ट्रैवल कर रही होती हूँ या कहीं जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के यहाँ जाती हूँ, तो मैं बिल्कुल बगैर ज्वेलरी के जाती हूँ, क्योंकि पहन के मुझे, बट ऑब्वियसली फंक्शंस में जैसा कि आपने देखा, मैंने अभी ये खूबसूरत इयररिंग्स पहने, ये मुझे एक्चुअली गिफ्ट किए हैं मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने। तो ऑब्वियसली फंक्शंस पे जाते हैं, शादियों में जाते हैं, फेस्टिवल्स में हर लड़की, हर औरत ड्रेसअप करना चाहती है और अच्छे कपड़े, अच्छे जेवर पहनना चाहती है। तो उसी तरह मैं आम सब लेडीज़ की तरह हूँ। मैं अभी देखने जा रही हूँ, लेकिन जो फोटोग्राफ्स में देखा है बहुत खूबसूरत है। So all my good wishes to Prishita, and I wish her all the luck in future, because ये I think हर एक बिज़नेस में कंपटीशन होता है, तो एक हेल्दी कंपटीशन लेकर अगर वो चलती हैं तो I think she is going to go a long way, and I think if you're true to your work, everything falls in place. Thank you.
I actually was very surprised, not because of anything else. See, I've known her for some time, and I've known her on a very personal level. So when she was launching her collection, I'm here to support her. Without realizing, she's very talented है। उसका 2 पीसेस तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आए। एक तो तेरा पूरा जो रेंज है झुमकी का, हाफ जो वेट ही कम कर देता होगा, and there's also a piece inspired by archery. And archery is something that we both love a lot.
Yeah.
So I think that was also one of my favorites and highlights today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, and thank you so much for coming.
I love this brand Kanashi, and I'm here to support her because I love her design, the kind of different shades she have in the design, and the kind of sparkle and new things in her design. I just love it, and I think I'm totally here to support her, and I just want to go, and I'm super excited that what exactly is she gonna show us, so I'm super happy.
Ooh, yeah. So, you know, when it is about jewelry and all that, so we get excited. We girls especially get excited, and I'm excited to be here, and my full support is with her, and it's good to be here.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sonia Birje, and I have come for the launch of Pranasi Jewelry Ear Pendants exhibition launch, I believe, and exquisite jewelry is what I can say. They are, I believe, and yeah, it's a fact, they are Polki diamonds, and it's so beautifully done, and they look luxurious, and can't wait to get myself a pair. So yes, check it out sometime. Pranasi, the brand to look out for.
What best wishes would you like to give?
May they expand as a successful business, and may they become the name and the brand of the country nationally and internationally. I wish them all the best. Thank you.
To be honest, I'm a big fan of uncut jewelry, and Pranasi, as in the whole brand, is so pretty, and some pieces are really nice, and you know, when you wear it, it looks really pretty, and we were like wondering which one to pick up, because we can't really decide. Pranasi's done a wonderful job, and I really wish them all the best. All the best to Krishna. I just met her, and she says that her collection has a lot more than what we are seeing. The small pendants, and it's 14 carat jewelry, I think. Yeah, and the uncut diamonds are really pretty, and I think it's trendy and very beautiful. I must say that everybody should try. Thank you.
What would you like to say, and what are you expecting?
I'm expecting a lot of jewelry, beautiful chandelier earrings and lots of glitz. lots of glamour. I'm very fond of jewelry myself, though I'm not a very big jewelry person, or I am also fond of very contemporary jewelry like the kind that I'm wearing, which is a Rohit Verma design. So I'm just waiting and anticipating something very nice and exciting. Let's see how it is.
And what best wishes would you like to give?
I wish them luck. I wish that they make a mark and they do something that is extraordinary and people appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Please tell us about Pranasi as a brand. You're too young to launch a brand, but also to the fine jewelry. What do you have to say? Look in the center.
Yes. I feel so good. I feel so great that finally I have launched my collection, and my collection is inspired from Rajasthan intricate designs. Rajasthan architecture. So I have tried to use the intricate interior of the Taj, of which I'm getting from my. I've got inspired from Rajasthani architecture. So the intricate work, which has been done on the walls of Jaipur and everything. So that's the reason,
The piece is totally inspired by the architecture of Jaipur, and what inspired her to make this all was that it has been an area of jewelry going up and running up into our family since ages, and very small age she was very inclusive, to just know about whatever she wants to design or develop in the sense of that, and that inspired her to become one of the designers from a family.
So my inspiration was, I got inspired from the Jaipur architecture. So I was really, inspired from Mughals, their heritage jewelry and everything. So I thought, why not to come up with the concept of this? Because if we talk about Mughals jewelry is inspired from nature, their Mughal paintings and everything. So that was the main thing. I thought, why not to come up with this kind of collection and show something into my pieces. And I really want to thank my mom, because she's been my inspiration, because she literally helped me to go through the crux of the designing, CAD, manufacturing, because this is a really tough job. Because I remember I went to my karigars, I sit back with them, I literally design my all pieces with them. It was such a great experience. So I think, so it was a great experience. However, I really...
Diamonds are best friends for women.
Yeah.
How much do you believe in that?
I think so. So diamonds are everyone's girl's best friend, of course.
Please go on.
Yeah. So yes, diamonds are girl's best friend, as everyone knows, and even I love diamond jewelry a lot. Yeah.
So आप कोई जो आपकी कॉकटेल डिजाइन्स हैं, कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्टर के लिए आप चाहेंगे कि वो पहने?
I think so. Like my favorite actress is Deepika Padukone. I feel like that Deepika Padukone will enhance the beauty of my pieces, because if I talk about my pieces are quite intricate, and as I said that it's inspired from the Jaipur architecture. So I believe that Deepika Padukone will be the best model for my pieces.
So आज की जो collection है, उसके अंदर हमें क्या-क्या what is there special which audience would like to know?
So I've created an array of earrings. So when you will see, I have tried to play with the different kinds of necklaces, different kind of earrings. So one of the necklace, it's inspired from the archery, and even there are some of the earrings which are inspired from the nature. Yeah.
Any questions, anyone?
Actually, I came here without earring, and it just suits me a lot, and I like the design. There is a very beautiful design. I think everyone should to try Pranasi, and from my side, best of luck to Pranasi. And I'm super excited for more designs. I will take more jewelries, and I think it's nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm so excited. From my side, for Pranasi's best of luck, and I'm going to look forward. Thank you.
I'm super excited to see because cocktail jewelries I really love, and I'm looking forward to see how the jewelries are and have a great time here inside. As it is, as we all know, jewelries are the best friends of girls. So what's better than to have a great cocktail and see some great interesting jewelries here.
Which is your favorite piece of jewelry when you are dressing up?
Rings or earrings. Half the time I'm wearing earrings or rings, so that's my favorite. Thank you.
Ma'am, you are here to support Prishita and her brand Pranasi. What would you like to say and what are you expecting?
So I'm super excited because इस event के लिए बड़े दिन से wait था मेरा. All the ladies like jewelry, who doesn't like, and Prishita ने बहुत अच्छा collection present किया है यहाँ पे. So I'm excited to see the whole collection and I really want to congratulate her. And Pranasi नाम भी बहुत ही serene और बहुत beautiful नाम रखा है. And मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे जितनी भी females आ रही हैं, they are going to enjoy it. Super excited today.
I believe that jewelry women की best friend होती है and वो हमें enhance करती है and it just makes us even more prettier. So बहुत important element होता है एक female के लिए, एक beautiful woman के लिए. So I'm very excited that there is something new that has come and I'm hoping to explore and buy lots of jewelry. Actually आप लोग को खरीदना चाहिए है ना हम लोग के लिए, नहीं? खरीद लेंगे. We'll buy for you all.
Well, I would like to say congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I haven't seen your jewelry yet, but I am sure it's gonna be rocking. मैं अभी अंदर जाने वाली हूँ और झुमका किसको पसंद नहीं है. So देखिए तभी मैं झुमका पहन के नहीं आएगी, मुझे झुमका पहनना है. And your brand Pranasi, it sounds very unique name, very different name.
Thank you so much.
And I'm expecting the very classy, very fashionable. और आज का जो trend है ना, it's more of fusion, more of classy.
Right.
It's like a mixture of everything.
Exactly.
So when there is a class and the fusion, something is unique coming up. So I am congratulating Pranasi and Shah for your brand. And Krishna ji bless you always.
Thank you.
And I'm looking forward for the jewelry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely. Parul, thank you so much for this wonderful invite, and I'm always up and always ready to support the women. So I'm very happy that entrepreneur like Prashita is here, a young entrepreneur like Prashita is here. And I really just now saw a beautiful jewelry collection, especially of jhumkas. And I love jewelry, I love jhumkas, I love wearing lots of ornaments, and I really thought the designs were really unique, especially the polki ones were very, very trendy. They were sleek designs, they were heavy designs, they were small designs. So all the different designs were of different sizes. So I'm sure she has kept in mind a choice of women, especially for women. If you see, they need so many choices. अगर आप 100 साड़ियाँ भी दिखाएंगे तो भी बोलेंगे इससे नहीं 101 वाली दिखाइए, right? So I think you have kept and researched the liking of the women, and you have tried your level best to give them the variety of sizes and designs, polki, diamond, pearls, everything was there. And I'm really amazed. You're so young and you have come out with such a wonderful creativity. So I would like to congratulate on your this venture of yours. And I heard your parents were also in this business, and I think you have picked up the right field. And I'm going to definitely shop. I have definitely picked up 2 beautiful pieces, and I'm going to wear that on my saris. I normally love wearing saris, and those jewelries are like which will go perfect on saris or Indian outfit. And also there were cocktail jewelry also which you had designed. So all the best, Prashita. And Pranasi is such a lovely, unique name. ऐसा नाम मैंने कहीं सुना नहीं है, पहली बार सुन रही हूँ. So I wish you all the best, and looking forward to shop more with Pranasi.
Yes, of course, you're always welcome.
Thank you so much.
Well, I loved. I told Prishita. I didn't know. I knew her as a small girl, so but lovely jewelry. I really love the design, and I also love the way you incorporated your archery into it.
Yes. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, and the best part was they're like big, but they're quite light.
Lightweight jewelry. Yeah.
So I wish you all the very best
Thank you
for
so
it,
much.
and I'm sure she's gonna go places. So
Thank you
that's
so
our
much.
wish.
Thank you. Congratulations.
What best wishes would you like to give to Prishita?
See, as I got the invite, I was more curious to see कि भक्ति नाम दिया है जो उनका क्रिएशन है, the jewelry she is making for years, भक्ति. तो भक्ति में उन्होंने क्या क्रिएट किया है मुझे वो देखना है, because एक हम बोलते हैं टेम्पल ज्वेलरी होती है. So I want to see what she has created, and I love the name Bhakti plus Pranasi इनका brand है, which is again a beautiful thing. I still have to know कि Pranasi का meaning क्या है. You know the meaning? Pranasi? Okay, I'll ask her only. So I wish her all the very best, and if I can buy something nice, I shall buy it, definitely. That's on the cards, and thank you so much.